actually get done in the rainstorm.
Yep, okay. No worries, I can do that.
And we're here to basically say very clearly and explicitly, you are not alone. The federal government, state government, local government, as well as the whole of the people of New South Wales and indeed the people of Australia are with you at this time.
You don't shut up now. Oh, did it? Grab it up. Oh, sorry. One more time. So can you point out this and just tell me what it is here to your get to safety? No one expected it to be worse than me the last week or so. Are there any houses you can see we can get to that could be inundated?
This is a dangerous circumstance, and even when the rain stops falling from the sky, sometimes the waters keep rising for a period of time, and that is the case in the mid-north coast at this point in time.
Yeah.